How to use Nolo Probate process properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Probate can be complicated, and using Nolo's probate resources incorrectly can lead to delays, extra costs, or legal headaches. The first mistake is not understanding which estates require probate. Small estates or jointly held assets may not need full probate. Misapplying the process can waste time and money. Another common error is failing to identify all heirs and creditors. Missing someone can delay probate or lead to disputes. Compile a complete list and verify contact information before filing. Many users underestimate documentation requirements. Probate involves submitting wills, death certificates, and asset inventories. Incomplete or incorrect documents can result in court rejection or delays. Neglecting deadlines is another pitfall. Probate courts enforce strict timelines for filing claims and distributing assets. Missing these deadlines can create legal complications. Finally, some assume Nolo's guides replace professional advice. Complex estates disputes or tax issues often require an attorney to ensure compliance and protect the estate. To use Nolo probate process properly, determine if probate is needed, identify all heirs and creditors, prepare complete documentation, meet deadlines, and seek professional advice when necessary. Avoid these mistakes, and probate will be smoother, faster, and legally secure.